What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're back at my house. Yesterday we were here and we started putting a new roof on it. We did the whole back except for that top corner, and obviously we have the ridge to do with our ridge vent and caps and whatnot. So we have to finish this corner and then we are moving on to the front. I want to try and get it buttoned up today because we have rain coming tomorrow, so I'm going to push our guys. Hopefully we can finish it today and we don't have to cover anything over the weekend, because I really don't want to worry about the rain, and if we can get it done, that would be very nice. The only issue, oh, I have a stray cat in my backyard. Interesting. The only issue is that we have two dormers on the front, so it is going to slow us down a bit. I think this, yep, this is my guys pulling up right now. So I'm about to walk around front, get everything set up. We have our dump truck here, which I'm going to put in the driveway, so when we do the front rip off, hopefully most of it will land right in the dump truck. I also have our forklift out there, and we can boom the shingles up, and we also have a dumpster for it, so we can boom the dumpster up right to the soffit area, and hopefully most of the garbage will go either in the dumpster or the dump truck, and we have a lot less of a cleanup to do. But let me go deal with my guys, get them all set up, and then I have to run to our Dutchess yard and pick up some planks that we have there. Basically, I think we have like 8 foot, maybe 10 or 12 foot 2x8s, 2x10s, 2x12, stuff like that that we need on this job site. So let me go deal with all that, and then we will hop in the van and head out over there. You need anything else? No? Alright guys, so we are pretty much completely stripped off except for over here on the left side. There's a little piece on the left, but the guys are starting to lay the storm guard on there, which is basically Weather Watch with a layer of deck armor on it. It's a new product. I'm not sure how new. It's the first time we've used it. Normally we just use Weather Watch and then deck armor above it, but I'm about to hop in our SkyTrack here and pull the dumpster down and throw the shingles on there and boom them up, because we are pretty much ready to start shingling, starting on that right side there. All right, guys, we didn't quite make it. We gave it our best shot. It is, I don't know, it's got to be it's 5:41 right now, and we got the whole right side done. We got about halfway up in the middle between the dormers, and almost halfway up on the left side. The dormers slowed us down quite a bit. We had to clean up a lot of stuff around them on the little soffit where it makes a valley there, and it just killed time. So we gave it our best shot, but couldn't quite make it. It is starting to look very nice, so let's go around the back and take a look at the back real quick. You can see on the back we still have our planks up there, but it looks much nicer. So we got a little bit of garbage we got to clean up there. Hopefully tomorrow we can get it buttoned up. Today is Friday. I have a couple of the guys coming tomorrow. There's a chance of rain, so we're gonna hope for the best, and if we can get it done, we're gonna get it done, but we really don't know. It really depends on the weather. Either way, I am gonna go to the dump in the morning. The dump truck is absolutely jam-packed, so I got to get that empty, and hopefully the rain will hold off and we can get this finished. But it was weird, I didn't record anything for 2 days this week, and this is only my third video I'm making this week. I spent Tuesday and Wednesday working on something that I'm not going to talk about right now, but in the future it'll make a lot more sense. I'm going to keep it secret until the time is ready, but I have a big project that I'm working on, and I can't wait to show it to you guys and explore a new what's the word I'm looking for, a new like outlet for making content and whatnot. But that'll all make sense in probably a month or so. But either way, I'm gonna go to the dump in the morning, so that's when I will pick this video back up.